Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Best Buy credit card account on your desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by opening up your web browser and in the search box at the top type in Best Buy credit card login. Press enter and you'll be able to see numerous of search results on the next page. Click on the first link that says Best Buy credit card login or apply. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this login area for Best Buy. Go ahead and enter your user ID in the first text box that you see. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, you can check this Remember My User ID box. If you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to uncheck this box before moving on. Head over to the password field after you're done and type in your password correct. In case you don't remember your user ID, then you can simply click on this Retrieve User ID link and follow the instructions to look for your user ID. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password, click on this Reset Password link and follow the instructions. If you've not registered your card yet, you can click on this Register Your Card and follow the instructions to fill in your details. Finally, after entering all of your credentials, click on the Sign On button and you'll be logged into your Best Buy credit card account, quick and easy. With your Best Buy credit card account, you can manage your Best Buy credit card online anytime using any devices. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.